Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's open Simply Earth October. Alright, this has quickly become my favorite box to open each month. This is the monthly recipe box by Simply Earth. They are an essential oil company founded by aromatherapists. They are all about creating and giving you accessible oils at a really fair price and also teaching you how to use them. They're really cool, down-to-earth people. You'll love them. There's a monthly box that you can get, or you can also just go on their website and purchase oils that you already know that you need and love. But each month you get 4 oils. 1 is a blend, 3 are single essential oils, and then you get recipes and mostly everything you need to make each recipe. And it's really fun, and it's a really cool way to just like get your hands in and just use your oils every month, because you get new ones. You get ones that are going to be used for the month. They're seasonal. This month the theme is immunity support, which everyone needs at this time. I know with back to school, we've already had cooties. There's been scares of the virus, and so we just are all about hand washing, being as clean as possible, and just like boosting our immune system so that it can work the best that it possibly can. Okay, so anyways, I'll show you the oils first, and then I'll show you the recipes and all the other stuff. Oh, so when you join, and if you want to subscribe to this box, it's only $39. That is an incredible deal, especially for you get 4 essential oils and then everything else you get. But so when you subscribe and use my code, you get the box for $39. You also get a $40 gift card back to use towards products. You get a free big bonus box, which is a huge box that comes with bottles and rollers and carrier oils and things like the rest of the things that don't come in the monthly box. The big bonus box usually has for you to make each recipe. So you get a bunch, and then you get access to a free essential oils hero course, which like I mentioned, they're all about educating you and teaching you how to use your oil safely and effectively. So anyways, here are the oils for this month. We get eucalyptus, which is such a good immune oil. It's good for sickness, like if you have a cold. It's just really good at opening your airways. So this one is from China. It's clean and herbaceous aroma, Eucalyptus globalis. There are a few different eucalyptus variations, so that's what this one is, and this is from the wood and leaves. So there's eucalyptus. Fir needle is next. We love tree oils, so this one's going to be well loved, I'm sure. This one is from Russia, and I'm reading that just from the back of the bottle. That there's so much information on the bottle, on their website, the emails that you get in this box. You won't be left without knowing what to do with any oil that you get from them. This is from the needles, and this is the aroma is evergreen, and the oil is Abies sabrica. I can never pronounce those Latin names, but oh, it's strong. It's very strong, and what did this say? Evergreen? The first whiff really hit me, but it does smell fresh. That is good. Fir needle. And then I had to look up how to pronounce this one. I've never heard of this. It's Cajeput. So if you've heard of it, that's cool. This is my first time hearing of it. This one's from Australia. The aroma says fresh and camphorous. It's from the leaves and twigs. And it's Melaleuca cajeputi. So I'm assuming it's similar to tea tree because of the Melaleuca. But we'll see. Let's see how it smells. Ooh, that smells good. This is very fresh. It's kind of like a eucalyptus and a tree oil mixed together. That's fresh. I really like this one. I'm interested to see how we're going to use it in the recipes this month. And then this is a blend. So you get 1 blend each month, which is just a mixture of a few different essential oils. This is called Digest, and it has aniseed, bergamot, German chamomile, and sweet orange. That sounds really good, and it sounds better than some tummy rollers and tummy oils that I've used before. Let's see how it smells. It feels like it's gonna be, or I feel like it's gonna be sweet. Ooh, it's not good. It is, I do not like that. Okay, the aniseed, how do you pronounce that? I should have looked it up. Okay. It's growing on me, but at first it was big like black licorice vibes, and I do not like black licorice, but that smells pretty good. It actually is okay. You just have to get used to it. That quick black licorice whiff like quickly goes away. Okay, anyways, then you get your recipes, which are here, and they're on really nice like recipe cards. So you're gonna keep these. They also have a box that you can buy on their website, like a little box for your cards, because I have collected quite a few of these now, so I actually need that box. But anyways, here are the recipes. This is a cooling massage oil. I can't read backwards, so I'm just gonna read them here. Menthol chest rub. A multi-purpose cleaning spray. That one's really cool. I love using natural cleaners. We have not used like a bleach or a Windex or a Lysol in like, I don't know, over 2 years, maybe 3 years now. Menthol shower steamers. Those are awesome, especially when you're sick or like congested. Stomach soother roll-on. Clear the air diffuser blend. And then back to the beginning. So on the back of each of these, there's also different information or different like education. So, oh, this one's a sneak peek of next month, which looks very holiday. Brown sugar, winter spice, candy cane. Okay, that. Anyways, yes. So it has all of the oils that come in this box, and then kind of just some notes about each one, like dilution, safety, that kind of thing. They also say if they're cat or dog safe, which is really handy just to have this, because it's just a little quick thing to grab and look. You can also Google it. Cats are more sensitive to dogs than with essential oils, but just good to know. And then a note from Katie, which is the aromatherapist. How cute is this here? And then, so they also give 13% back to help end human trafficking. So I don't know of any other brand that gives that amount back to help, you know, such a great cause. So that is awesome. They're doing the right things, and I love them. So anyways, the rest of the things that come in the box to make your recipes are menthol crystals. These look cool. So this is just, the ingredient is just menthol. So these are just crystals that you can melt and make into your different recipes. Those look cool. I'm gonna open it. I bet they smell so good. Let's see. It smells really good. It smells like candy canes, peppermint candy canes. The next thing is a multi-purpose cleaning tablet. So this is really cool. Super easy DIY. This is I've seen this before. It's just a little tablet that you dissolve into a little, or a 16-ounce spray bottle. Yeah, 16 ounce. Oh, and then you add 25 to 50 drops of essential oils. Plus the tablet, shake, spray, and wipe on non-porous surfaces. So this is cool. I'm going to link some really cute glass and silicone spray bottles down below. 16 ounces is all you have to worry about. You can also recycle a bottle that you have from something else, but I just happened to find some cute ones recently, so I'll link those below. This box also comes with a little dropper, which I think you make your massage oil in here, if I'm not mistaken. So a really pretty glass bottle. I'm also going to link some rollers that match this if you want to get on like the matchy. But I like pretty glass bottles because the key in using essential oils is to be intentional with them and kind of prepare yourself for when you're going to use them. So on my desk, I have all of these oils here that I like to diffuse when I'm working or filming. On my treadmill, I have oils in my fume that helps me like wake up and open my airways. On my nightstand, I have all the oils that I use at night. In my bathroom, I have my skincare oils. In the car, I have my like anxiety oils because when I drive or go anywhere alone, I need that support. But anyways, you have to place them and keep them out. Don't just put them all in one drawer somewhere where you're never going to see them. You have to place them where you're going to remember to use them, because it's just another thing that you need to add to your routine. So making it easy that's what I have found to be the most easy way. Okay, and then these are the stickers, which are always really cute. They're just little labels for all of your recipes that you make, and then these little circle ones are for the top of the bottles. So I love that, because if you have oils in a drawer, like I do have a couple in this drawer here, when you open the drawer you can just see the top, or when you travel with them, it's nice to have a sticker on the top too. So I'll just put one on. This one is for needles, so you just take the little circle and just put it right on the top of the bottle like that. So it's really nice, and I just like that they're thoughtful enough to put that in here. Oh, it has a really cute sticker. It says, I like my products like I like my people, non-toxic. Let me put that on my water bottle. Okay, so all of the other rollers. This one, I love their roller stickers. So this one will go on a roller bottle. And like I said, that big bonus box comes with rollers, so you can just grab one from there. You get one of those big bonus boxes every 6 months too. Side note. Okay, I think what I'm going to do is make a couple of these, maybe in a reel or maybe just in like a time-lapse video, and maybe insert it in here too so you can actually see me making them and using the products that I got this month. Let me know if that's helpful too. Let me know if you have any questions on Simply Earth. We love them so much. Honestly, I do think that they're our favorite essential oil company at this point. And there's just so many reasons why. But anyways, we love them, we support them, and you guys should too. There was one other thing I think that I was going to tell you. Oh, the last thing that I was going to share is the value is always way over the $39 that you're spending, but this month is $126, so that is a great deal, you guys. You're getting so much, and so much support and community as well, because they, like I said, they just are all about education and teaching you how to use your oils. Okay, I think that's it. Let me know if you have questions. Let me know if you are going to subscribe. I am excited for you if you are. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next one. Bye.